Hello guys, my name's Paulina Quinn Channel. Make sure to subscribe my channel, which means my channel is Paulina Quinn Channel. Now my name is Quinn, and my last name is Tran. Even my brother name is John Tran, or you can call him King Tran. Now let's make a flower. Now it's time to make a bunny. It's time to make a bunny now, okay? First ingredient, we need this pen, a pink crayon, and 2 bows. Even a blank sheet of paper. Now it's time for the black crayon to draw like this. Okay. In the last vlog, I did it really big. Okay. Now I'm gonna make it a small one. So this is how you make a small one right here. Pick one like that. It trace it all the way like here. Okay, just like this. Just like a taco. Now let's put some bunny ears in it. Bunny ears. Just like this. If you want to make a unicorn one, then you just had to make a horn. Just like this. Okay, now it's time for the eyes. Actually, it's time for the eyebrows. So let's make it thick. Now color it in. Just like this. Now time for the other one. Actually, these are eyes going to sleep. Now, just like this. Now, it's time for the eyelashes like this. Now, color it in. Just like this. Now it's time for the other one, but this time it will go up. And the other one was a little bit big. Now look. This is how you make a unicorn one. Now let's make a teeny smile. You have to make a heart by the nose, but first you have to color it in. Okay? Now, look. I made it just like this. Now, let's make a smile like this. Then we're gonna color it in this pink, but first we have to make the cheeks. Just like this. Okay. Now let's get some crayons. It will be hard to find it. Actually, you need this one. And that's it. Now you're gonna color this in the cheeks. Have to do this by the cheeks. Now let's color it in. Now to the other cheek. Just like this. Now it's time for the big part. Now it's time to put the bow right here. So you actually need glue right here. What is so sticky? Ah. Now let's do it like this. And just like that, and put it in 10 seconds. Then it will be done. Just wait like 1 minute or something. This is hard to dry. Now while it's waiting there, just like this, I'm going to color in the bunny. You too, guys. You can cover the bunny glue. Okay, now it's time to this crayon. Actually, I'm making a rainbow one. So first you need to get a red one, a red crayon like this. Just like this. I'm not sure it's red. Oh, it's not red. This one, red, orange, and yellow, green, blue, and purple, and pink. Blue, purple, and pink. And oh wait, I got pink. So first, you're going to put this one right here. Then the color the half of the side and move to the next one. Let's do it. Actually, this one is not red, okay? This is red right here. Actually, it's not red. I think this one's red. Oh yeah, this is actually hot red. Hot, hot, hot. You have to color. Like this. Now it's time for the orange one right here. Now let's color it in. But don't touch any cheeks or mouth or eyes. You can actually do the eyes. Okay. Now I'm almost done with the marker because the marker is really fast. I'm done. Just like I'm not done. Sorry. Now I'm done. Okay, just like this. Now it's time for the yellow one. Just color it in. Let's color it in, guys. Now it's time for the green one right here. Just like this. We don't have enough space. Then just color it big. Now it's time for the blue one. The book must be here. Almost done. Let's.
Yeah, are you done?
No, not yet, King.
Trời ơi, văng nó biến lâm mất con. Trời ơi. Che cái tay lại chứ.
I have no idea this glue. It still don't work. Except all the purple. Oh, now it's purple glue. You know. Then I had to find this one. Okay. These purples are not working. Now we have to find another purple just like this one. Color it in. Okay, almost done, guys. This one. And now it's time for the yellow one. Right here. Now it's time to make a star. First, like this. Now we are all done. Make sure to check the other channel and subscribe my channel. So bye everybody.